Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. Today, telling by the title of this video, y'all already know what it is. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a crochet wig, and the hair that I'm using today is for a kinky loop from Expressions, and this is the Outre brand. I'm using this hair. This is what the hair looks like. I did order another pack of hair, but that is black, so I just wanted a little bit of black in there, you know, just to mix it up and have a different color in there. But this is the color that I'm going for. We'll see about that. So if y'all want to see how to make a crochet wig, then go ahead and stay tuned. Basically, we're gonna start from the back. So to do that, let me take the hair off the package. Now this hair does come pre-looped. This hair comes with a rubber band at the end. Let me see if I can get one to show you. Now I don't want that it has this thing here, but I don't want it there. You probably might not be able to see it. So I'm just gonna take off those loops. And when you take it off, it comes with 4 strands, 4 curls, 4 wand of curls. So that's how I'm gonna go ahead and crochet the braid on. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take one piece of the hair and you're going to put it through 2 holes, attach the hair onto the hook, close the latch, pull it through the hair, and you're going to knot twice and pull to tighten. That's it. So let me show you guys again. You're going to take your hair, put it through the loop, attach the braid onto the hook, close the latch, pull it through. Now you're gonna make a knot with both hair. You're gonna take the end of the hair and pull it through the loop, and you're gonna knot that twice. And then you're gonna pull to tighten, and that's it. That is how you attach the crochet braid onto the wig cap. Now you're just gonna go ahead and do that all around the perimeter of the wig. When I get closer to the top, I will come back to you guys. I will stop in between so you guys can see how I'm going and what pattern I'm using to create this crochet wig. Okay guys, so I've finished with 1 pack already. And I've used a couple of the black just to try to fill it in. Now you could say that I'm kind of halfway done with the wig, so I only have the top part and this middle piece left. So I'm gonna add a little bit more blacks periodically around the wig, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up with the next pack of expressions here that I have here. So this is 1 pack with a little bit of black in there. This is what that looks like. So we're going to take the braid that you have your latch hook in hand, open the latch, push it through 1 hole of the wig cap, attach the braid onto the hook, close the latch, pull it through, and you're gonna knot twice. You're gonna take the end, twist, open the hole, and pull the hair through and pull tightly, and that's it. Easy and very simple. Now this style probably should take you maybe around 1 hour to 2 hours tops, depending on, you know, how fast you're moving. Okay guys, so I'm almost finished. So I'm going to do the invisible method. And how you do that, you take your latch hook, you place it into the loop of the band, you put the hair onto the hook, pull it through, and instead of taking both strands, you're going to take one strand and pull it through and then tighten. And that's it. So you're going to do that all the way until you reach up to the end here. And I'm using this line, the part of the band, as my mark of how I want the hair to go through. So I'm using this thick band right here, and I'm just going to cover that up, and that is going to be my part. So I'm just going to leave the rest like that, and we're going to come back. So I'm just going to fast forward through it and show you guys how to get it done. So to show you that again, I'm going to take my latch hook, pull it through the hoop, put the hair on top, pull the hair through. Instead of taking two strands, I'm going to take one and just pull the other end and tighten. That's it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bangs similar to what the mannequin has here. I don't want it exactly like this, but I'm going for something similar to this. So let's just go ahead and start cutting.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
So just to spruce up the hair a bit and to maintain the curls, I have some water in here with a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add some curling cream. And the brand that I'm using is Cantu. That doesn't matter, but whatever curling cream or conditioner you have, go ahead and add it to your hair. Well, okay, loves, there you have it. I probably might go back in and just do a little bit more cutting and shaping, but I don't want to have you guys here for the rest of the tutorial. So I'll leave it at this for now until I'm settled. I really do love the color. I love the shape. I love the pattern of the curls. So I will just keep adding this and some water in there if the hair gets a little bit frizzy, just to tame it. But that is all this hair needs. And if you do see this similar look in another video, it's because I recorded this makeup look, and I will have it attached down below. I will have it listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.